Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I will be attempting to watercolor a synthetic wig for the first time using this unit by Sensationnel. It is their extra long Empress lace part wig in the color 613. It is 46 inches long, has a beautiful wave curl pattern. This is the unit straight out of the package and I am so here for this length, and the curl pattern is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna slip the unit on in just a sec, but first let's get into the construction. So it has one comb with adjustable straps in the back, two combs with the lace part in the front. All right, so here I am with the unit on. I am not mad at the color nor the length on this unit. Who said chocolate girls can't do color? Tuh. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? And let's go ahead and transition into this tutorial. Here is the brand and the colors I'll be using: one bottle of sweet mint and one bottle of baby blue. I actually needed more products, so towards the end you'll see what I added in to make up for the shortage and bring this mint green color to life. Everything will go in this container here, and off camera I filled it up halfway with tap water, and then I followed up with a pot full of boiling hot water. Alright, I got this method from a fellow YouTuber. I'll have her information in the description box below. Be sure to check her out. Next, you'll see me add in some of the sweet mint color, and I'm mixing that in with a flexi rod just because it was the closest thing to me at the time. Next, you'll see me add in some of the baby blue color, and I'm also going to stir that with a flexi rod and just make sure that it's mixed well. Alright. And so I'm just going to continue to mix it around. Alright, and now I'm just grabbing the wig because I want to test the mixture out by adding a small piece of the hair in. But I noticed pretty quickly actually that nothing happened. There was no color change whatsoever. So I just decided, let me just give it a second. So I'm going to hold it here. All right, and I still did not notice a color change, so I'm just going to actually throw the unit in, and I'm gonna figure out how to make it a little bit more potent. Now I'm checking the wig after 10 minutes and there was no change. I still did not see any color, so I went ahead and added the rest of the sweet mint color in the baby blue into the mixing bowl, and I'm gonna see if that even makes a difference. So I'm gonna let it sit here for about maybe 20 or 30 minutes just to see if I see any color change. This is just a view inside of the container, and it looks like it's gonna take, but I noticed very shortly after that it did not. So now it's time for plan B. So I actually had to run to Walmart and pick up another product. So here you'll actually see me adding in this red dye. It is in the color dark green, and I'm hoping that this is going to work to just make sure that this mint green color is coming to life and that I can see it instantly take effect on the wig. So I'm just going to submerge the wig in after I mix it. And off the bat I can see that the color is much better than it was before. It's definitely taking to the wig a lot quicker. So after adding in just a little bit, I'm actually going to add in the rest in just a moment. I want to make sure this is really mixed really well, so let me just continue to mix it in and just make sure that that wig is fully submerged. And it definitely looks a lot better, so I'm gonna continue to let it sit and we will see what the color will be at the end. All right, and so this is the wig after 1 hour of just sitting in this mixture, and it is completely ready to go. So I'm just going to squeeze out everything. I don't see a hint of blonde anywhere, which is absolutely perfect compared to the first couple of times I tried this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze it out, and I will let it dry using my fan, and then we will see the final result in just a moment. So here is the wig on my mannequin head after letting it dry for about an hour. And y'all, I am so happy I got the exact mint green color that I was looking for. So kudos to me. And here is the comparison. So here's the blonde versus the mint. So here I am with the unit on once again, and yes, it's still as gorgeous as the first time I tried it on. Y'all, I'm gonna just pause for a moment so y'all can see this color. So beautiful, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also check the notification bell so you'll receive instant alerts each time I upload a video. Thumbs up the video letting me know you enjoyed it as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.